Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Zagreb, the beautiful capital of Croatia. But we're doing this adventure in two parts. In this first part, we'll explore some incredible spots near the city centre, Central Mosque, and two iconic churches. So, let's get started. Zagreb, with a population of around 800,000 as of 2024, is not just the political and cultural heart of Croatia, it's a vibrant city that attracts millions of tourists every year. The charm of Zagreb really comes alive in its historic old town. Here, you'll find stunning architecture that whispers tales of the past. The orange rooftops stand out, showcasing the city's rich history and Central European vibes. Walking through the old town feels like stepping back in time. Cobblestone streets and medieval buildings create a picture-perfect setting that's hard to resist. Trees line the streets, and many homes have lush lawns, adding a natural beauty to this historic area. It's this mix of old-world architecture and green spaces that makes Zagreb so inviting. One of the highlights in the city centre is the monument to Petar Preradović in Flower Square. This statue honors one of Croatia's most beloved poets and is surrounded by lively cafes and shops. It's a place where history meets modern life, with both historic facades and contemporary buildings creating a dynamic vibe. Street life near Zagreb's city centre is vibrant and lively, especially around Banja Luka Square. Street life in Zagreb, especially around Banja Luka Square, is full of energy. Cafes are buzzing with people sipping coffee. And street performers add to the vibrant scene. This area is where modern energy and historic charm collide, making it the beating heart of Zagreb's social life. Now let's visit the Zagreb Central Mosque. This mosque is a striking blend of modern and traditional Islamic architecture, standing as a prominent symbol of the city's cultural diversity. Completed in 1987, it features a large domed prayer hall and a tall minaret that elegantly rises above the area. The mosque's clean lines and minimalist design are complemented by intricate geometric patterns and calligraphy, reflecting both contemporary influences and Islamic artistic traditions. The exterior, predominantly white, contrasts beautifully with the lush greenery and well-maintained gardens surrounding it. And the peaceful fountain adds to the serene ambience. The mosque isn't just a place of worship, It's also a hub of social and cultural activity for Zagreb's Muslim community and visitors alike. Next, we explore the Cathedral of Zagreb, officially known as the Cathedral of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary. This stunning Gothic structure is the most prominent landmark in the city. Its twin spires dominate the skyline, visible from many parts of Zagreb, and they serve as a symbol of the city's rich history and spiritual heritage. Originally built in the 13th century, the cathedral has undergone several restorations, especially after the 1880 earthquake, which reshaped much of its current appearance. Inside, the cathedral is adorned with intricate stained glass windows, soaring arches and detailed carvings, creating a serene and awe-inspiring atmosphere. Surrounded by historic buildings and vibrant city life, the Cathedral of Zagreb stands as a testament to the city's enduring faith and architectural splendor. Finally, we visit the Church of St. Mark, one of Zagreb's most iconic landmarks. The church is renowned for its distinctive and colorful tiled roof, which displays the medieval coat of arms of Croatia, Dalmatia, and Slavonia, alongside the emblem of Zagreb. Built in the 13th century, the church showcases a mix of Gothic and Romanesque architectural elements, with its ornate southern portal featuring 15 intricate statues. Located in the heart of the upper town, St. Mark's Church is surrounded by historic government buildings, making it a focal point of Zagreb's cultural and political life. Inside, the church is adorned with beautiful frescoes and a tranquil atmosphere, offering a glimpse into the city's rich religious and artistic heritage. And that wraps up our first part of the Zagreb tour. We've explored some amazing spots, but there's still so much more to see. Stay tuned for the second part of our Zagreb adventure, where we'll dive deeper into this incredible city. See you in the next video.